Alright, in this video, I want to give you 5 digital marketing tools that can help you grow your business or social media following in 2018 and 2019. Well, tool number 1 is findthatlead.com. So if you're a freelance digital marketer and if you're trying to find clients, and this is a great tool because Find That Lead can help you find email IDs of your potential customers and clients. Like for example, let's say you're searching for dentists in the US. That's all you do is go to findthatlead.com in the prospecting section, select dentist and select the location, and bam, you have their email IDs. Isn't that freaking awesome? Imagine the amount of time you could save or the money that you could save by running ads. Find That Lead does all the work for you. So that's my number 1 tool for 2018 and 2019. Alright, so let's talk about tool number 2, which is Lemlist. What exactly is Lemlist? So imagine this, you use findthatlead.com to find the email IDs of all the dentists in the US. Now, how do you reach out to them? Right? How do you send emails on automation? You don't want to sit and manually type out emails to everybody. And thankfully we have Lemlist. Lemlist does that job for us. You can put cold outreach emails on automation using Lemlist. So Find That Lead is used to collect the data, and then you use Lemlist to automate sending out emails using your domain ID. You can connect your domain ID on G Suite account and then connect it to Lemlist to automatically send emails to all the cold prospects, and who knows how many of them you actually convert into clients. So my second favorite tool in the year 2018 and 2019 for growth is Lemlist. Big shout out to Lemlist, and if you want to see and use Lemlist, the link is in the description below. So tool number 3, if you're looking at growing your YouTube channel, I think this is a must-have tool, which is VidIQ. Now, VidIQ gives you all the details about the tags your competitors are using in their YouTube videos. And if you want to figure out everything that they are doing as far as how many followers are they getting, how many subscribers are they getting, which videos are working well for them, which isn't working well for them, what tags are they using, you get all of that data using VidIQ. So my tool number 3, or the most recommended tool in 2018 and 2019, and specifically if you're looking at growing your YouTube channel, would be VidIQ. Alright, my 4th favorite tool, and the tool that I recommend would be SocialBee. Now, SocialBee is something that you could use for Twitter, although I'm not that big on Twitter, but I am focused now on Twitter in the next quarter. So that's where I am headed to. And of course, if you haven't followed me on Twitter, make sure to follow me. The link is in the description below. SocialBee is something that I use for Twitter. And using SocialBee, you can automatically copy the Twitter followers of your competitor, and with a click of a button, you can immediately follow hundreds of them. Of course, there's a limit that you could only follow so many in a particular period of time, and Twitter will stop you from following new people. But then after a point when the limit opens up, you can go back and cut follow all the people again. So that's one easy way to fast track your growth on Twitter using SocialBee. Of course, a lot of other apps, but I like SocialBee because you can post on multiple platforms, be it Facebook, be it LinkedIn, be it Twitter. So really cool tool, and my 4th recommended tool for 2018 and 2019. And number 5, and of course, how can you forget the big daddy of social media, which is Facebook. Now, the tool that I love when it comes to Facebook is Toolkit for Facebook. Well, what could you do with the tool? You could do so many things with the tool, but the one that I like to do most with the tool is invite people in bulk to like your page. So let's say that you're running an ad and you have 500 likes and you have tons and tons of comments. So what you could do with Toolkit for Facebook is invite all the people who liked your ad to like your page with just one click of a button. Now imagine clicking 500 buttons or just doing it once. and it automatically invites everybody, right? So that could fasten the growth of your social media followers on Facebook, specifically Facebook followers. And the second thing Toolkit for Facebook does, which I use it for, is posting in multiple groups at one shot. Now let's say if you are a part of 15, 20, 100 groups in your industry, and if you have a really valuable piece of content that you would like to share in all the groups, so I could do that with just one click, one post sharing, and share to all the groups that I'm a part of, and bam, it just is shared in all the groups. Isn't that freaking awesome? Instead of me having to do it manually every time. And I know a lot of people use Toolkit for Facebook for extracting data from groups, people's Facebook UIDs, and all lot of other stuff. So if you are into that kind of a thing, well, maybe you can use I don't know, like I would just leave it at that. If you want to use it, but I like to use Toolkit for Facebook for group posting and all the bulk action. So these are my 5 recommended tools, and of course I want to end this with a bonus tool, number 6. Alright, so I want to end the video with a bonus tool, which is for Instagram. And of course, how can we forget Instagram, right? This tool is GRUM, GRUM, and the link is in the description below. Make sure to try it out. GRUM is a tool that allows you to schedule the posts through desktop, which is such a good thing, because with all the other platforms where you can schedule your post, Instagram was one platform which was difficult to find a scheduling tool for, and using GRUM I have been able to do that. So I hope you start using GRUM and schedule your posts so that your followers do not miss out on any amazing content that you have for them just because you were busy. Alright, so I hope you use these 6 tools and you grow your social media following and your business in 2018 and 2019. If you have a favorite tool that you would like to recommend, drop them in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you, and make sure to hit the subscribe button.